Welcome to the first annual Curly Hair Award Show. Tonight we have no sponsors, everything was selected by yours truly. No, but in all seriousness, I really wanted to create just a fun end of year 2022 curly hair product wrap up. I've got some sparkling water in a champagne glass, freshly washed hair, and I put on a dress for you. If you know me, you know that's a big deal. But don't worry, I'm staying true to me. I've got sweatpants on underneath. We have so many awards to give out, so let's go ahead and jump on in. If you have not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, and please hit the thumbs up button. Just go ahead, take a second, hit the like button. It takes 5 seconds and it helps me out so very much. And if you don't follow me over on Instagram, be sure to check it out. We cover a lot of topics over there, from body confidence, embracing your natural hair, your natural beauty, you name it, we cover it. So be sure to check that out. Let's begin the award show. To start, I will be doing a drugstore product and a high-end product of every category. I quickly want to mention that I have highly porous, fine hair, but a lot of fine hair. So I have a high density of hair, but the hair strands are fine. My hair is bleached and it is highly porous. If you're new, this helps give you a little information about my wavy curls so that you can determine if these products would be best for you. Starting off with our drugstore shampoo, we had a lot of great nominations this year, but the real ring-dinger, humdinger, ring-a-ding-ding is the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk shampoo. I've used this and loved this for years. This isn't a surprise to you if you've been around my channel for a while. When I was thinking of my favorite high-end shampoo for the year, I had a lot of good contenders, but I ended up on a newer brand to me, which is from Day. It is their original OG line. This is their shampoo. I love this shampoo. I find that I only see a lot of girls with straight hair on the internet using the Day products, but I think the curly community is really sleeping on this brand as a whole. It was created by Amber Fillerup. She is absolutely adorable. I love her products. The fact that I am halfway through this shampoo bottle tells you everything you need to know. I always find myself going back for it. Moving on to conditioner, for our drugstore winner, we have My Moisture. This is the Hibiscus Lightweight Hydration Hibiscus Water Conditioner. My Moisture products are some of my favorite products. You'll see them sprinkled throughout my holy grails. They're Curly Girl Method approved. If that's something that you're looking for, this line in particular is super hydrating while being insanely lightweight. The hibiscus water, it just works as magic. But I also love the flaxseed line. I just ran out of that conditioner, so I didn't have it to show you. So really either or are very similar. It just depends if your hair likes flaxseed or not. Moving on to high-end conditioners, we have the Bumble and Bumble BB Bond Building Repair Conditioner. This conditioner is no joke. It is rich, creamy, dreamy. It literally rebuilds bonds in your hair. If you struggle with damage, if you often straighten your hair, bleach your hair, you will love this product. She is pricey. She is pricey, so I don't use this conditioner every time I wash my hair. You know, this is like a special occasion. I don't want to waste her, you know, because she is so expensive, but wow, she is really something to talk about, okay? Okay. Moving on, but also kind of going back, I really wanted to touch quickly on exfoliating shampoos, just exfoliators in general. My affordable exfoliator shampoo is the Eva NYC Deep Tox Exfoliating Shampoo. This is lovely. It's a sulfate-free shampoo. This is a brand new bottle because I just finished the other one. I really love it, especially in the summer when I'm trying to get sweat and gunk and buildup out of my hair. This is a fantastic product. As far as the high-end option, I feel like we all know and love the Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. I have very little left in this container. It smells like a peppermint Altoids, and it is just, it's so good. The old bond builder. So I feel like bond building treatments, bond building lines, oils, bond building dry shampoo, bond building serums. 2022 was the year of bond building, and I loved it. I will say that this is a category I feel like the drugstore market did not tap into. I 100% predict that it'll be all over the drugstore curly hair world in 2023. So I don't really have a drugstore one that really hit for me. I do have 3 top contenders for high end. Now I know you're thinking, there's only one winner, India. There is 3 winners and I am the host of this show. Okay, so we have, and honestly it's because they're all very similar that I really can't differentiate between them too terribly much. We have the Bumble and Bumble Bond Building Treatment. I absolutely love this product. I used it today. because it is fabulous. Moving on, of course, we have Olaplex number 3. It speaks for itself. And last but not least, we have Curlsmith's Bond Rehab Salve. It is a lovely, lovely, lovely scrumptious. Any of these 3 will be a great option depending on which ingredients you prefer best for your hair type. Moving on to curl creams. We have a very dramatic category here that we like to call memory lane. This is in honor of those that we lost in 2022. First up, we have Maui Moisture's Combing Cream. This, I actually preferred it in the blue, but the pink is very similar, but they discontinued this. This is the last bottle I have. Why, Maui Moisture? Why? For our drugstore curl cream, I really have 2 that I'd like to give it to. We'll go ahead and say Shea Moisture's silicone-free Miracle Styler Leave-In Treatment. I love this product. I've been using it for years. It's just such an easy comfort go-to for me. Pack it on trips. I know I'm gonna love it. And really the same goes to the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Cream as well. I absolutely adore both of those. As far as high-end stylers, which I currently cannot find, I would like to give this award to the JVN Air Dry Cream. It is magic in a bottle. Jonathan Van Ness knows how to do hair products. If you want beachy, effortless, messy, voluminous hair, this is the one for you. By the way, all of these products will be linked in the description box down below. Right down there, you can shop them and check them out. So yeah, right down there. Moving on to dry shampoos. One of my hands down favorite products that I can use for my hair, truly. I mean, I use it for 2nd day hair, 1st day hair, let's be honest, 3rd day hair, 4th day hair, 8th day hair, you know the drill. My drugstore favorite is the Heritage by Mindy McKnight Down to Basics fragrance-free dry shampoo. It's sulfate-free, silicone-free, Curly Girl method approved. I love that it's fragrance-free. It doesn't have any junk ingredients and it just works. When it comes to high-end dry shampoos, the nominees were tough this year. The talent was real. And I feel like the dry shampoo world is a world that I live in every day. I love all my dry shampoos, but IGK's dry shampoos are a really close second contender, but for our number 1 dry shampoo of the year, I'm gonna be going with Living Proof Perfect Hair Dry Shampoo. If you haven't tried this dry shampoo, give it a shot. It just might change your life, literally. Moving on to hair gels, my holy grail of all time hair gels is the Maui Moisture hair gel. It is upstairs in my bathroom. I use this nearly every day of my life. I'm not even gonna give an honorable mention for a high-end gel because there is no gel better. You don't need to try a different gel. I would pay $40 for this gel if it was a high-end one. It just happens to be very affordable. Don't sleep on the gel. Do not sleep on it. Moving on to hair oils, I have 2 high-end oils. I know, sue me. So one that I've been trying recently that I've been really, really enjoying, and then one that I've been using for a very long time, like a good solid year, and I consistently go to it every time. The winner for the oil category is JVN's Complete Nourishing Shine Drops. These are chef's kiss, cannot be beat, silicone free, okay, but gives that silicone effect without the silicone. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I'm very excited about this. I will say a new oil that I've been trying is from this brand called Bread. It's a hair brand called Bread. That's really something to talk about, but that's for another day. So this is their everyday gloss hair oil. I've only tried it a couple times, but it's been good. Like, it's just an honorable mention, you know? It is an honorable mention, okay? And then I'd also pulled aside Playa's Ritual Hair Oil because I think this one last year. Honestly, these are very similar, guys, okay? These are very, very similar. I think it boils down to what ingredients work best for your hair. They're priced very similarly. Maybe which packaging you like. They're very similar effect-wise. Love them both. To conclude, because we have officially lost all of our sunlight here today, we will be firing whoever was in charge of lighting for this extravagant event. The winner for our high-end hair mask is the Fakai Super Strength Treatment Mask. Bet you didn't see that coming. This is a sulfate silicone-free mask. It is good. This is a bond building mask. It's something to strengthen your hair, right? And so I feel like in these last 6 months when I was going through Accutane, coming off Accutane, all the things, like my hair's just been through so stinking much and like I needed to strengthen it up, and this has been lovely. And the award for greatest drugstore hair product of 2022 goes to Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthened and Restored Treatment Mask with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. I will never understand why these brands have such long names. If I ever have a hair brand, it's gonna be called Hair Mask. I'm currently out of this hair mask because I used it all. That's how you know it's good. That's how you know it's real. The night is sadly almost coming to an end, but we have a few more great awards to share with you here today. First up, we have Best New Hairline, and that award goes to the Bumble and Bumble Bond Building line. Every product in this line is truly sensational. Best New Brand of 2022 goes to JVN, but we have an honorable mention of Day. Concluding with the #1 brand to look out for in 2023 is Saltaire. So Saltaire was created by the supermodel named Iskra. She started off her brand with deodorants, body lotions, body washes, and now she's moving into the hair care space. And I think that her brand is really one to watch out for. It is available now at Target. I've been testing it out and really enjoying it. It's so new to me that I wouldn't feel comfortable putting it in a 2022 favorite. But I think that it is a brand to really look out for in 2023. Share in the comments your favorite products of 2022. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I really did have so much fun putting on this dress over my sweatpants and hanging out with you guys. Cheers to all that's to come in 2023. Love you guys.